Hello, I'm David Hoffman with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. And today we're going to do a walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. As you can see, it's a great layout. We have aft seating on the port and starboard side. This is equipped with a Mercury 115. We have the center leaning post with different positions for comfort. As you see, we have our dash, we have the RPMs, our fuel, and our voltage, and all our buttons for our nav lights and horn and bilge. As you move forward, this boat has a cooler with a cushioned seat on top of it, and cushions in the forward bow area. We have the high bow rails, forward and aft on the sides. This boat is in the light gray color. And if you'd like to see this or any other products that we have here, please give us a call here at MarineMax Huntington.